Yes, so now we can discuss about most profitable small business. What are there? Those we can discuss. In this, around nine elements are there: auto repairs and enrichment activities for children, and likewise around nine elements are there. We cannot discuss all these nine elements at par. So we can divide into part one, two, three, four likewise. Now we can discuss about profitable businesses part one. We can discuss now. That is now we can go into the subject. My name is Ganesh, and my YouTube channel name is See Your Needs. See Your Needs, and I'm having a website also, that is seeyourneeds.in. You can see both also. My channel name is See Your Needs. That means SEEYOURNEEDS. All are small letters only, no spaces and all this. You can type that, and in YouTube channel, in YouTube search, you can type it and you can get it everything easily. Now we can go into the subject: most profitable small businesses. That is we are discussing now. With the rise of technology, many of these most profitable businesses fall under the realm of online business ideas, but not all of them. You will also find ideas that fall within the realm of child care, others that correspond more to B2B services, and some that to suit entrepreneurs which are looking to be more to B2B services, and some that suit entrepreneurs who are looking to be on the move with their businesses. This being said, there is nothing to say that any business idea that you come up with won't be profitable. But if you are looking for a good place to start, you will want to check out this list of the most profitable small businesses. So, in that, we are discussing about the part one, that is auto repair. Taking a car to the shop for even simple repairs can be a challenge. After all, most of us use our cars to get from place to place. That means taking a car in for repairs often either involves a long wait at the repair shop, renting a vehicle for the day, or coordinating a ride with a friend or spouse. These options are both expensive and inconvenient. The good news is that while some repair jobs do require the equipment of an auto shop to complete, there are plenty of maintenance and repair services that need just a few simple tools to complete. If you are skilled as a mechanic, you might consider a mobile auto repair service as one of the most profitable business ideas. You can offer oil changes, fluid refills, battery swaps, and headlight repair, and more right in your customer's driveway or office parking a lot. So auto repairs are mostly useful, because if you are having a car also, in the morning time you will go. After you are going in your house, your wife or children are going to somewhere for shopping or for other purposes, or for purchasing of books, and so many are there. For all these things, they can book an auto, means auto should come to their place. With so many drives are there nowadays. Uber drive is there, Ola is there, and Ola drive is there, and Rapidos. Likewise, so many are there. So you can book all these things easily. Suppose if auto repair is there, means it is not comfortable to all. So auto repairs should be done frequently. For every 10 kilometers, one auto repair shop is there. It is very comfortable to the people to enjoy the comfort of the auto. So even if we have car also, the car will be useful at the time of morning going and evening coming. But remaining timings for frequent goings and rough goings, and some shoppings and all these things, your wife and children and some other will go, means it is easy to keep up autos. So autos should come, means Auto repairs should be done in time, comfortably for every 10 kilometers. So I am requesting any mechanical or auto repair persons are there. Try to maintain one repair shop nearer to your location in a good center. It is better to be for every 10 or 15 kilometers one auto repair center is there means it is very useful to the people and all can enjoy the comfort of that also. Wishing you all the best.